Have you ever experienced the frustration of your HP laptop refusing to turn on, leaving you feeling helpless and disconnected? HP laptop won't turn on? Quick fixes. Let's dive into some practical solutions to get your HP laptop powered up again. First, consider why your power button might not be responding. The issue could stem from a loose connection, a faulty power button, a dead battery, or even a problem with your laptop's motherboard. Start with the simplest solution. Remove the battery if it's removable. Unplug the power adapter and hold down the power button for about 15 seconds. This drains any residual power in the system. Now, plug in the power adapter without the battery and try turning on the laptop. If it works, the issue might be with your battery. If that doesn't work, let's check the power adapter. Ensure it's firmly connected to both the laptop and the wall outlet. Look for any visible damage to the cord or adapter. If you have a spare adapter or can borrow one, try using it to rule out a faulty power supply. Next, inspect the power button itself. Look closely for any physical damage or signs that it's stuck. If you're comfortable opening your laptop, check if the power button is properly connected to the motherboard. For those who are tech savvy, you can try bypassing the power button altogether. Locate the power switch pins on the motherboard and use a small screwdriver to short them. This mimics pressing the power button and can help determine if the issue is with the button itself or something else. If none of these methods work, it's possible that there's a more serious issue with your laptop's hardware. At this point, it's best to consult a professional technician who can diagnose and repair the problem safely. To prevent future power button issues, handle your laptop gently, avoid spills, and keep it clean. Regularly updating your system and avoiding sudden shutdowns can also help maintain your laptop's overall health. Let's recap the key steps to troubleshoot your HP laptop that won't turn on. First, try removing the battery, unplugging the power adapter, and holding the power button for 15 seconds to drain residual power. Then, plug in the adapter and attempt to turn it on. If that doesn't work, check your power adapter, inspect the power button, and consider consulting a professional if the issue persists. Remember, regular maintenance can help prevent future problems. Thank you for watching our guide on troubleshooting HP laptop power issues. We hope these tips help you get your device up and running again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech solutions.